Hello from Welcome to Entry. My name is Akash Shukla, your educator at Entry. So guys, back-to-back banking exam notification is being released, and now another notification has been released, and I'll be discussing about that notification. So guys, you must know that Indian Post Payment Bank has released a notification for recruitment of vacancies in different scale, like scale second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh on regular and deputation basis. So guys, let me tell you what is the notification, guys. First day of applying the notification or applying the vacancies, basically the opening date for online registration of application is 9th October 2021, whereas last date of online submission of applications with fee, it is guys 23 October. And guys, let me tell you what is there in the notification. Basically, this notification is for manager, senior manager, chief manager, assistant general manager, deputy general manager, and general manager post, guys. And yes, some experience is also required for these particular post. And department, guys: technology, information security, product operations, risk management, finance, and CEO office. These are the different department in which these vacancies are. And guys, talking about the selection process, so guys, selection process will be there based on the interview only, and you have to fill the form. If you want to fill the form, then I will provide the link in the description field and the pinned comment as well, and I will put the detailed notification PDF in link in the description field and the pinned comment as well. So check it out, guys. And the application fee for SC, ST, PWD candidate, it is 150 rupees, whereas for the rest category it is 750 rupees. Thank you very much, guys. So banking exam notification are being released day after another, and yes, this is the notification for all the employee who are experienced one or who are currently working with the private or the government organization and have some experience. This is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the examination, guys. Thank you very much.